All right, we are back now, ready to go. Gardening tips. I mean, it's springtime. We're getting out in the garden. You just said you were out there doing it yesterday.
I was in my yard. We did our patio the other day, and now Libier, she's coming in to help it keep going.
Coming in hot, as we like to say. There she is. Hi, Libier.
Hi. Hi, Gary. Hi, Scott. How are you?
You know, we're doing great, and we cannot wait. We literally have our virtual pen and paper ready to go to hear your gardening tips. We need them. We want them. Go.
You know what? They're on the blog today, so you don't even have to take notes.
Perfect.
I did it for you.
Nice.
On the blog this morning, I shared 3 very simple tips for your gardening game. And I've partnered with the Home Depot today to bring you those exact tips. The Home Depot has everything that you need to get planting this spring. And I know if you're anything like me, friend, if you want a hobby that is fruitful, a little therapeutic, maybe that you get a little workout in. And I'm gonna give you just some simple tips that have helped me keep my family, my little plant family, happy. The first tip is to create a beautiful relationship with you and your plant. They're like little people.
Yes.
So praying for them, talking to them, singing to them. Okay, I'm a crazy plant lady and I talk to my plants, and that's
I
part
prefer
of
the singing. If you could give us a little sample of the singing, that would be fantastic. I mean, if now, great, but
the day the Lord has made.
see, that thing's just going to grow.
Just a little singing to your plant.
Tell the plant you love the plant. I water the plant. I don't sing to my plants, though.
I'm sorry, what did you say, Gary?
Oh, no, I was just saying, I water my plants. I don't always talk to them, but I will talk now. I think I'll do
See,
that.
now you're going to talk to them and sing to them, yes. I think they get your vibe, right? And I think it's therapeutic for us, too, to be able to talk to them. My husband used to think I was crazy talking to other people, but now he knows it's my plants. The second tip is to get a little watering meter, because it really helps you to know and understand when your plant needs to be watered. This little guy is like, I feel like I have a magic wand. I put it in the soil, and it tells me if my plant needs water or not. So the guesswork is out.
Well, plus it's like, if for overwaterers like me, I feel like I'm always having to douse a little more. I'm an overwaterer, and that's going to help me. So thank you.
Yes, exactly. And that brings me to my second point. Thank you so much. Is that when your plant is overwatered, it can get root rot. Okay. So what I like to do is I take a planter like this one I got from the Home Depot, and I fill it with rocks at the bottom before I do the soil. The rocks will prevent your plant from sitting in water. So if your plant gets root rot, the way you can tell is you get it out of its little pot, gently get it out like this, and look at the bottom part of it. If it has white spots on it, that means it has root rot and it needs to be transplanted to a different pot with new soil. But if it's happy and it's thriving, just keep it where it is. But what I love to do is I like to keep them in their guys that they come with, because they come with little holes at the bottom that are drainage holes. And I just like to put little pots on them like this. And that way it looks nice, but I also have it in the container where the water isn't just sitting at the bottom.
There you go.
Right. Nobody likes a rotten root. I'll tell you that right now.
No way.
So that's how you do it. You got to let it breathe. You got to let it get out of there. That, and sing to it, talk to it. It's going to live and be happy.
Boom. There it all is.
Good.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
And
all of the things that I used today are linked on the blog for you guys today. If you're looking for, a cute little watering can. I also love having the right tools. Also encourage me and inspire me to take care of my plants.
You're the best. All right, Libier, that watering can is cute. I need that.
I
need that thing. Well, you bet. We'll get you out here soon, where we could actually get you in our garden, help continue to spruce it up. We've done a nice job. We think you'll be proud. We'll put up your information so that you can see where to find Libier. She said everything's on the blog. We don't even need to write things down, Gary. This is terrific news.
She's making it easy for us.
Libier.com is where we head, and all the answers are literally right there for us.
You got it. All right. You know what?